Shop Girl! Hey guys, it's Shop Girl, and today we have some Barbie, and it is Barbie. She said yes. Yeah. And it's Barbie and Ken together in this package. I think they're like going to a beach and like they're back together because, you know, Ken and Barbie broke up like a couple years ago. Now this is from like 2002, I think, 2002 to 2005, I think this was made, and somewhere around that Ken and Barbie broke up, but then they got back together, so they made this right here. And you can look on the back. Here's the first Barbie ever made, 1959 Barbie, first Barbie ever made right here. And then one of the first Kens ever made, because they looked like this back then. So there's this right here, and we're going to be opening it. And it looks very cool. And I'm just going to go over like the accessories that I see in here. I see like a towel, some flip-flops for Ken, some flip-flops for Barbie, and the flip-flops for Barbie, the sandals for Barbie. They're like wedge sandals because there wasn't a lot of flat feet Barbie back then, so like the high heel feet Barbie can wear sandals. And yeah, they're also wearing some pretty cool swimsuits. Barbie has some sunglasses and some hoopy earrings. And then last of all, Ken has a really cool, awesome watch. So, should we open this now? Yes, we should. Let's go! Woo-hoo! So here is Barbie. All I have to say is she is like way prettier than I thought she would be out of the box. And she does have big feet though, but I think her feet are made to like go in these sandals. So maybe she could just wear sandals all the time, maybe. Yeah, just no. Or I can do a head swap on her, but I'd rather keep her on this body. Unless I find an articulated Barbie for her. But anyway, she's very beautiful. Her hair is very long and flowy. Just how I like it. It's down to her butt. Yeah. Yeah, she's got the side glance and she has some hoopy earrings and these pink glasses. Okay. These pink glasses. Okay, for the third time, these pink glasses that can go on her face or on her head, but let's take them off for now. She looks even more beautiful without the sunglasses. She's so pretty, and she's got a smile, and she has this black and white swimsuit with a little bow right here that buckles in the back, and she has a basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. So, she's very pretty. Let's put her sandals on. They're so pretty on her. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, So I just think that she is so beautiful. I can't even stand it. No wonder why Ken and her are together. She's so pretty. And I just love her makeup. It's pink, her favorite color. And yeah, she's very pretty. So let's get to Ken now. And here is Ken. So handsome. And his hair is like super gelled. It's like sticking right here. I can't even like move it or anything. So yeah, and it looks pretty nice like this. So I'm just gonna try my best not to destroy it. He also has a little kissing mark from Barbie, probably from this. Probably from that. And he has this black watch, which is very cool. I can use it for other Kens, which is so awesome. He also has these little swim trunks, which are so cute. I think they're so cute. And then here are his sandals. They're black and they're humongous for his fat feet. So here he is. These are a little bit too big for him for some reason. Like, look at this. They fell out. I don't always want to like stay. Very much like it's a little bit too big, but that's fine. So we'll put him right here next to Barbie. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for Barbie and Ken. And don't forget to like this video for Barbie and Ken, because if you like this video, you like Barbie and Ken. And you also like Barbie. So also follow me on Instagram at ShotGirlInsta. And don't forget to like this video like I already said. Bye!